こんにちは。今日は明治維新について話します。明治維新 or Meiji Restoration is a period in Japan's history that began in 1868 until approximately 1912. Meiji Ishin marks Japan's increased interaction with the Western world as a reaction to the encroachment of Western influence on China's sovereignty in combination with the arrival of the United States' first diplomatic envoy in 1853. Preceding the Meiji Restoration was the Tokugawa era, which occurred between 1603 and 1868, and laid the foundation for the Meiji Restoration to succeed. During the Tokugawa era, Japan experienced a prolonged period of peace, which allowed for cultural development and economic growth. Specifically, Japan's literacy rate increased dramatically and thus is cited as a key element to the success of the Meiji Restoration. The Meiji government relied heavily on using the modern technique of printed information to distribute propaganda to educate the Japanese citizenry. In 1853, the U.S. naval officer Commodore Perry arrived in Japan. Perry forced himself to be officially received by the Japanese government by threatening Japan with the advanced military technology of the United States. Until this point, Japan had limited interaction with Western countries. The combination of the U.S.'s threats to Japan and China's experience of recent imperialism by the Western powers led Japan to believe that it must revolutionize its country to the Western standard of living in all aspects of society. The Meiji Restoration is marked by the removal of Shogun Yoshinobu in 1868 as head of government and his replacement by 16-year-old Emperor Meiji. Under the emperor, the capital of Japan was moved from Kyoto to Tokyo, the present capital of Japan. On April 6, 1868, the imperial government of Emperor Meiji issued the Five-Clause Imperial Oath, a statement of policy that laid the foundations for a modern government and adopted domestic reforms under Western influence. The effects included compulsory military conscription at the age of 21, which included 4 years of active duty plus 3 years in the reserve, removal of feudalism in Japan, and the introduction of prefectures and a centralized provincial administration appointed by the emperor's government, and also a revised system of national education. This oath is an example of the actions taken by the government to transition Japan to a country of recognition in regards to education, economic development, technology, and military strength. As change began, one effect was the rapid development in Japan's printing technology, which was the main source of information distribution at the time. Foreign technology, information, and culture flooded into Japan as it ended its isolationism with the West. Japan succeeded in its technological and economic revolution, in part by the employment of 3,000 foreign experts in special fields, as well as the dispatch of Japanese students to Europe and America to study the West, such as the Iwakura Embassy. The government and the businesses of Japan that grew during the Meiji worked together to develop the nation through government subsidies and the use of new foreign technology. Focusing on the success of the West allowed Japan to revolutionize its industry and country. Economic reforms included a unified modern currency based on the yen, banking, commercial and tax laws, stock exchanges, and a communications network. Aligning itself further with Western practice, Japan adopted an army equipped with the training and technology of Western nations. But not all citizens could comprehend, let alone accept, the rapid development of culture within the major cities of Japan. Positive and negative effects ensued due to the speed and type of developments during the Meiji Ishin. In 1877, Samurai Saigo Takamori led the ex-samurai of Satsuma in a rebellion against the Meiji government in the Satsuma Rebellion. Up until the Meiji Emperor took power, the Japanese state employed samurai, but were soon removed as employees after the Meiji Emperor's ascent to power to save money and remove outdated Japanese traditions. Citizens were asked to accept the revolution and adopt foreign cultures for the sake of surviving the approach of Western supremacy. The effects of this defensive tactic are visible today as the Japanese culture has become somewhat diluted with the influence of Western culture and adoption of Western values. However, this transformation of the Japanese state and society allowed for Japan to ascend to a global power during the years following the Meiji Ishin. Japan became recognized among Western nations as a modern nation and a formidable country. Also, it allowed Japan to inspire and promote Asia with its success and worldwide recognition.